Okay, then here you can see my testing board. Here I have LEDs for some microcontroller pins, P030 and so on. Here I have 5 volt from USB, here USB, and here is linear converter to 3.3 volts for microcontroller power. Okay, so I will connect together, connect USB, just for power. USB is just for power. Okay, you can see that here we have, this is power supply, here is red line, this green line, green LED, this, and so on. If LEDs are blinking, it's okay. Here 2 LEDs are, this is for testing high-speed oscillator, this crystal. This is for low-speed oscillator, this crystal. If it is flickering, crystals are soldered okay. Both, for both, this works for both. If crystal is not working, this LED, this or this, will be just blinking continuously with this all LEDs. Okay, so now I can see this is good board, this has product number. Now I will connect not working board, for example this one, this power supply P004. You can see that this LED is not blinking, so port P004 is not good soldered. Everything is okay. So now the second one. I have this. Okay, now we can see that red LED is not working. This is port P105. Okay, simply easy. This way I have tested all used pins from microcontroller to Raspberry Pi. This is in the future, it will be connected to Raspberry Pi. That's it.